good morning. What are we looking at as far as this event today is concerned in Belgavi, especially when it comes to the Congress Party's agenda? Today they will be holding a meeting. Tomorrow a big rally is also expected.
Well, good morning, Amita, and you can see behind me that we are standing at the airport where just in a few minutes from now a special flight is going to arrive in which 110 top leaders of the Congress Party are going to be here in Belgavi. As the stage is all set, there is going to be an extended CWC meeting which is being scheduled at 2:30 p.m. today in Belgaum, as the Congress Party is celebrating the 100 years of Mahatma Gandhi taking over the presidency of the Grand Old Party, and for that reason this meeting is being planned. As the agenda of this meeting by the Congress Party is to prepare a strategy for the upcoming years. As for that reason, we have seen that how the Congress has been continuously making allegations against the BJP government at the center for attacking the constitution as well as the legacy of Mahatma Gandhi as well as Baba Sahib Ambedkar, and that is the only reason why this meeting has been named as Nav Satyagrah. Not just this, but in fact tomorrow there is going to be a rally, a mega rally which is being planned by the Congress Party, in which the top leaders including the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, all of these leaders are also going to be present. They are also going to address this rally, as basically the agenda of this rally is also to target the BJP upon the issues which includes the constitution as well as the statement which was being given by the Union Home Minister Amit Shah regarding Baba Sahib Ambedkar, and that is the only reason why this rally has also been named as Jai Bapu, Jai Bhim, Jai Samvidhan. So that is the major takeaways of this meeting as well as the rally, as two resolutions are also going to be passed in today's CWC meeting. One is going to be a political resolution, another about the economic resolution, as the Congress Party is also going to prepare a strategy that how they are going to target the central government regarding the matters which are related to the constitution as well as the legacy of Baba Sahib Ambedkar, because the Congress Party believes that these are the issues which needs to be taken up, and it needs to be spread across a message all across the country that the Congress Party is there to save the constitution, and it is basically the BJP which is attacking the democracy as well as the constitution of our country.
All right. Keep tracking the developments as far as the top Congress leaders who are expected to arrive there. As far as this meeting is concerned in Belgavi, remains to be seen exactly what happens with the resolutions that are likely to be taken upon as far as today's meeting is concerned. Nyamika, thank you. Back after a short break.